For being tagged or designated by the poll body as the dominant majority and minority parties in the May 2025 midterm elections, the Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats and the Nacionalista Party get first dibs on poll watchers at the precinct level and in the vote canvassing. Just one perk among a few that our Harley Valbuena narrates in this report.
The Commission on Elections named the Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats or Lakas CMD as the dominant majority party for the 2025 midterm elections. The Nacionalista Party, meanwhile, has been declared as the dominant minority party. According to COMELEC, the dominant majority and dominant minority parties will have entitlements in the elections, such as being afforded the priority for poll watchers at the voting precincts and on the vote canvassing. They will also have their own servers to receive election returns directly from the precincts and access on the hard copies of election returns. The two parties were chosen based on the criteria stated in COMELEC Resolution number 11119.
Kasaysayan o gano'n na sila katagal sa pamumulitika sa Pilipinas. Number 2, gano'n kadami ang kanilang incumbents. Number 3, gano'n kadami ang mga tumatakbo nila sa bawat posisyon, national at saka local. Number 4, gano'n kadami ang women's participation.
During the 2022 national elections, the Lakas CMD was also named as the dominant majority party. Furthermore, the COMELEC also named 14 political parties as sole major local parties in their respective regions, provinces, or cities. The poll body will enhance its monitoring for the expected increase of campaign activities and campaign materials ahead of the commencement of the campaign period for local candidates on March 28. The COMELEC admits it cannot remove on its own all the campaign posters placed on prohibited places because it lacks the manpower and resources. Therefore, it will just send notices to the candidates to voluntarily take down their illegal campaign materials.
We will just use the power of writing notices. Kasi kung kami po magtatanggal ng bawat mga nakapaskil sa bawat poste, sa bawat alambre ng kuryente o sa bawat waiting shed, talaga po mauubos ang oras namin sa kakatanggal.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.